Bhagat Singh and I will be Bhagat Singh for only today, and I study in stage 1, and today I am going to tell you about the unity in diversity. Let's start with diversity. Diversity means we all are different from each other, and this difference can be a caste, religion, gender, and society. Now let's do unity. Unity means when different people are living in one society. Now let's do India. India is the real example of unity in diversity. And India has cultures such as Hindu, Muslim, Sikh and Christians in it. And it is like different flowers in one tree. Thank you everyone. Yeah, I'm proud to be an Indian. And thank you everyone. Happy Republic Day and thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.